To me, tasks given tomorrow is dengue. I have to speak on dengue. I have to talk some tips for dengue. I had participated 2 years back, 3 years back, Corona time. There is no auditorium meeting, but then in AIMS there was a meeting on dengue. We had a session, 1 hour session on dengue. They were the panel of doctors. They suggested some tips how to fight dengue. So there are two things simultaneously happening. The the Corona third wave, even after those who are vaccinated, third wave, people are getting affected. Some part of the country, there are reports that dengue is picking up, and especially in Delhi, also the crowded markets. If the people are moving without the mask and without the social distancing and the sanitized this thing, sanitization, the probability, the chances are that they can get dengue virus. The pandemic is not yet gone, third wave, and on top of that, the dengue. So you require oxygen for corona. To fight corona, you need oxygen, and to fight dengue, you need platelets. In dengue, the platelets go down, and you have to arrange for those platelets. This becomes difficult to arrange those platelets. So simple tips you have to follow. Wherever drains are there, you have to see that the drains are clear, no clogging, and there are no water stagnation on the rooftop or balconies or in the plants. Wherever water is getting collected, you have to remove that. The plastic trays and the pots which you are used for plants, they need to be properly maintained. You need to maintain those plants. If they are of plastic, the clay or the plants made out of that earth, the mitti, those plants are safe. There you can rely. If the water is there, it will dried up or absorbed, but if there is plastic, it will not be vaporized. It will be there for some time, and mosquitoes will be collected there. You will have to spray the oil, kerosene oil or petrol, so that the mosquito, or the fogging, these MCDs or these corporations, they are doing centralized fogging on the roads during the evening or daytime, and don't ensure that there is no water in the pots, in the utensils stored for longer period. Throw that, use that, or throw that, and the position of the utensils you change in such a way that water, even if there is rain, no water gets collected on these broken plastic containers or the tires. Unused tires are stacked in most of the places. I don't know for what reason. So those things are to be taken care. Clean off all the areas so that there is no water chance of collecting water on the rooftops, balconies, plants, etc. Take these few simple steps and you will be free from this dengue. These are the simple precautions you have to take, and if you follow these instructions, you will not get dengue. And if you follow this mask separation, social distancing and sanitization, then you will not get corona. So the simple tips for corona and dengue. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter signing off. Thank you. Bye.